Now, switching gears, this is the first of its kind in San Antonio. This Saturday, there's going to be a walk to remember people who died from fentanyl poisoning and also a rally to stop it from happening. Now, we've brought you the stories of mothers who've lost children, and they planned this event. And now Courtney Friedman is bringing you insight from leaders in the recovery community who are going to speak at Saturday's event.
Substance use disorders can happen to anyone. This is a phenomenon that happens in my family. I am well aware of that. I am one of the lucky people because I have not lost a person.
Dr. Jennifer Potter is a renowned expert on substance use disorder, but she understands it on a personal level as well.
Moms and parents shouldn't be the ones having to raise awareness. Our system needs to do better. Parents who are grieving should be able to grieve.
Local mothers who lost their children created Saturday's Fentanyl Awareness Walk, where Potter will speak on behalf of Be Well Texas, the UT Health San Antonio program offering science-based recovery options across the state. As the executive director, Potter is laser focused on education.
There is a poison drug supply right now in Texas that if they're using a substance and they don't know where they got it from, that substance likely contains fentanyl.
Once people understand the problem, they can talk more openly about it.
Stigma kills. We know people do not seek or ask for help because they are afraid of the consequences of asking for help, and that can end a life.
UT Health San Antonio's Be Well Texas partners with 140 organizations across the state. Locally, a big one of those is the San Antonio Council on Alcohol and Drug Awareness.
One pill can kill. People need to know that, and they're taking a gamble with their life.
Abby Gilmore is the CEO of Cicada, which works with first responders, parents, those with substance use disorder, and more importantly, kids.
We go to schools and we do presentations. We work with kids long term,
hopefully preventing deaths in the next generation.
At the event, we want to celebrate that we are a community that wants to do prevention. How do we prevent losing lives at all ages, at all stages?
Courtney Friedman, KSAT 12 News.
So the Fentanyl Awareness Walk is this Saturday at 4 p.m. at the Green Line on Brooks City Base. We're told that people from local, state, and federal government are going to be there, along with food vendors. People are also going to have an opportunity to learn how to reverse overdoses. Courtney Friedman is going to MC that event. By the way, you can still register. Visit ksatcommunity.com, and the information's right there. Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.